Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Mark Thompson and these are the Alteryx tutorials. This session we're going to be doing weekly challenge number 219. It's a fairly simple challenge this time. And what it's looking at is you have results for New York City public schools and the standardized math between 2013 and 19. And we want to take a look at only the 8th graders and find the percentage of female students that achieved a level 4 score for each district in the years 2013 and 19, and then rank the districts according to the biggest improvements that they've seen. Fairly straightforward. Let's go ahead and jump on in. To start off with, we have an input file that looks like this, and I'll go ahead and run this real quick. And we've got what district, we've got a bunch of grades in the year, the category tested, we've got all of these different levels, and levels 3 and 4 combined. So the first thing we got to do is keep in mind that we only want to look at grade 8 and category female. All right, when we do that, our records go from some 3,100 records on down to 224 records. The next thing we want to do is we want to take and we want to identify the years. We want to have the difference between 2013 and 2019. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to crosstab the data, and we're going to identify by district, and we're going to have the column header is going to be the year, and then the values for the percent of level 4, right? So we're already in 8th grade, and we're already on female, and we're going to pivot. And we didn't need to clear out any of the rest of this stuff because we're doing it inside the crosstab. So we do the years, and the result of that crosstab, it comes in, the data looks like this, and when it goes out, it's looking like this. So we have our district, each of the years 13 to 19. Now, you guys know me, I like to clean up my data. So let's go ahead and get rid of all those years we don't need. And we're only looking at which district and then the difference. And then it's real simple. We just stick on a formula that says 19 minus 13 and get the difference, right? So we've got this improvement here from 13 to 19. And then finally, we just want to sort that. And we want to sort it by improvement in a descending order. So we have our best up here at top. And there you go. That's it. It's that simple. I told you it was going to be a quick and easy one this time around. And there you have it. Now, if you want to, you can bring down a sample tool and you can identify, the top 3 or top 5. You can say, get rid of the 2013 if you only want to know which district in the improvement, but that's all cosmetic and that's up to you. Okay, I am Mark Thompson. This has been Alteryx Tutorials. If you like what you see, hit the like, hit the share, and always we welcome your comments. Have a great day.